Good morning, everybody. I just want you to know that this ash stave has been sitting for about 6 months, and just peeled the bark off the back of it. And I'm starting another one here. It's from the same tree. You can see here where the sapwood is. It's very easy to, if you're a beginning bowyer and want to make bows, I suggest you just start with ash. You just have to scrape down a little bit and you come get rid of the heartwood and you're into the back of your bow, and that's all that's to it. I use the my heavy duty draw knife on it to scrape all the heavy stuff, and then I use my straight draw knife to finish it. There's only two tools in the RAS. That's all I use to make my bow. I don't scrape it with a card scraper. It's just a waste of time. And this is what you get. This is a 50-pound 27-inch straw ash bow out of that same tree. So I wrapped the handle in goat skin and just stained it a little bit to bring out the grain. And in the back of it's not so pretty, but it is what it is. I'll just put some dark walnut stain in it to make it look a little more presentable, but that's the back of the bow. Yeah, and it pulls very good. It's a very strong bow, very light. And if you're beginning to make bows, I suggest you start with ash. It's probably the easiest. Have a good day.